Hi friends. So today I figured we would do calendar again. We're going to try to do calendar every day, kind of like we do in class. Okay? So let's do our rule song first. Ready? Eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher, listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. It's early in the morning. I need my voice to be exercised. How are you feeling this morning? I'm feeling kind of like this. What's this say? Happy. That's right. I'm feeling pretty happy to be talking to you this morning. When you see this today, this means it's your turn to talk. It means your turn to give me an answer. So I'm feeling happy. Now it's your turn. How are you feeling? Nice job. I hope you're feeling happy too. All right, we're going to start calendar time, okay? First we do the days of the week. Let's get ready. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. What is today? Tuesday. Your turn to tell me. Good job. It's Tuesday today. Let's click on the box.
Great job.
2000. All right, so we said that today is Tuesday. That's the day of the week. What is the month? Remember, the month is up here on the top. We talked about this month a lot before at school. Shamrocks are in this month. The holiday is St. Patrick's Day. The month is called March. What is it called? Your turn. March. Good job. March starts with what letter? Ready? What letter? Yes, that's a letter M. Let's spell March. M-A-R-C-H. Spells March. Nice job, friends. So we already said it's Tuesday. We said it's March. Now it's time to count. And this is a pretty big number. Yesterday was 30. So let's see what today is. Ready? We stop at the star. Let's start with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, 31. It's your turn to say 31. Your turn. Nice job. A 31 has a 3 and a 1. It kind of looks like this. Let's see if I can do it. I'm going to erase my happy face. I'm still happy, but I'm going to erase it. I'm going to try to do 31. All right. Ready? 3 and a 1. That's right. Just like that. Great job, friends. Now I'm going to click on the green arrow. This is filling in the missing day and date. So we said Sunday, Monday, today is Tuesday. Let's fill it in.
Tuesday.
Nice. We said the number is, what is it again? Your turn. 31. Let's fill it in. Nice job.
31st.
Yeah, we say the
Great
31st
job.
when we're talking about the calendar. Okay. The special days, remember? The special days, I'm going to say the holiday in March is St. Patrick's Day. That's special. You wear green on St. Patrick's Day. And the other special day, I think, is spring, right? Because the winter is all done. It is spring. Special. Awesome. There's that picture. Yesterday, do you remember what we picked? We picked this picture. It's the rainbow and the gold and the shamrocks. We're going to keep that picture for today. Guess what? Today is the last day in March. The date, the whole date looks like this. Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. I want to do one more thing this morning, friends. Let's do the weather, okay? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? That's not the typical weather song, and I just realized that. What's our weather song? Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like. Won't you please? Won't you please? That was silly. I made a mistake, and that's okay. So I'm going to go to my window, and I'm going to tell you what the weather is at my house. Here I go. I'm looking. I saw something in the sky. It's yellow. The weather is sunny. Your turn to tell me. The weather is what? Yes, I'm excited to see the sun. Maybe you can go outside and play today. That would be so great. Okay, calendar is all done. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.